This song is called Supernova. I do that before like every song. When I wake up in the morning and the sun is shining on my face, I'm just thinking of your reflection, holding me, moving at the same pace. Then I get to where I'm going, the map laid out in my head. But at the end of the day, when I've got nothing left, it's still you I imagine in my bed. Supernova, when I hold ya, I wish everything I told ya was the truth, but I come unglued, lying next to you. Supernova, forget what I told ya. I'm getting older, I can't afford an explosion, I'm getting over you. Alright, now this next song is called Marriage versus Love. I thought we were friends, but I think I'm just a fan. I thought you were mine, ooh, but I think you're just a man that I threw myself at. Ooh, and baby, I have no regrets. I have no regrets, 'cause if that's all I get, ooh, baby, you're still the best. Till death do us part. Who made that shit up? Baby, you broke my heart. Oh, so it must have been love. Will I ever have a friend who is also a lover, who will be there till the end? Is it one or the other? Till death do us part. Ooh, who made that shit up? Oh, baby, you broke my heart. Ooh, so it must have been love. I know it's love. Alright, so this is an older song that I wrote when I was like 17. Sorry for my hair. I just woke up. I'm just doing this before I get in the shower because it's not gonna happen if I don't. Okay. Hate to say it like that, but sometimes I take long showers and then it's time for me to go, so I'm prioritizing this. Okay. So it's about the state of the world, and what's sad is that I'm 27 now, so it's been 10 years, but not much has changed, so the song is still relevant. Woo for timeless music, but also boo for humanity sometimes. Anyways, here we go. Here's One Nation. I see a couple people looking up, I see a lot of people looking down, and they won't stop. I see some people who are moving forward, but who knows what they're moving toward, and they won't stop. I see a lack in dedication, I'm living in a segregated nation, so I can't stop. Oh, they say that money is the motive, but people living in the streets like we don't notice. Well, I can't stop. Oh, it breaks my heart, they're commercializing culture. Almost 10 years, got $1 million sold. When will the world share one set of eyes? When will we all share one set of eyes? It breaks my heart, this age of desperation, hope without a voice, confused generation. When will the world share one set of eyes? When will we all share one set of eyes? I know some people that work so hard, every day, every minute they're trying, pleasing the world, but inside the poor souls are dying. It's hard to be true to the wonderful you, when there's so much you're told to do. It breaks my heart, this age of mental slavery, a world of brilliant minds given no time to daydream. When will the world share one set of eyes? When will we all share one set of eyes? It breaks my heart, the hypocrisy in our philosophy. One nation, one nation. Appreciate love. Christ sacrificed his life for us. This is why we ought to be sacrificially for our fellow believers, and not just be about ourselves. Oh, if you see a brother or sister in need, and you have the means to do something about it, but you turn a cold shoulder and do nothing, then what happens to God's love? It disappears, and you made it disappear. That's round the 16th verse of the first book of John, chapter 3. Yeah. Alright, so next I'm going to do another song that's kind of old. It's a throwback. Also about the state of the world. But it's more from the perspective of like a hoe. You know what I mean? And it's like, I'd rather be single and be with a hoe than be with a guy that's a piece of shit. Like, I don't know. I'm either like asexual, like saintly kind of person, or I'm just like a filthy hoe. But I'm always single, that's for sure. Okay, here we go. It's called These Days, also inspired by Absol. So a lot of my music is inspired by artists that I've fangirled over. One Nation was inspired by Miley Cyrus's We Can't Stop. I've never like fangirled over Miley. I think of her more as like a peer because we like grew up together. That's how I feel about her. But Absol, I've definitely fangirled over. So he had a whole album called These Days. So this song is about, I wrote this while in the era of when I was like listening to that album. And I just realized that like the oil on my skin is really catching this light. So gross. Anyways. These days, you gotta take a pic of it for it to be legit. These days, you gotta be with the clique or else you ain't worth shit. These days, if you're dating a baller, he probably treats you like a bitch wearing a shot collar. These days, dudes be a piece of shit. Or maybe I'm a hoe, maybe I'm a hoe, maybe I'm a hoe. How do you know if you're a hoe, if you're a hoe? Just gotta hold on, just gotta hold on, just gotta hold on to that special someone, that special someone, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. These days you gotta be with the band to even understand. Oh, these days you gotta be with the band to even shake a hand. These days you gotta believe, yeah, you gotta believe. Oh, wow. These days you gotta breathe. 'Cause maybe we're alone, maybe we're alone, maybe we're alone. Maybe this is home, maybe this is home, maybe this is home. You just gotta hold on, just gotta hold on, just gotta hold on to what you can depend on, to what you can depend on. Yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah. Okay. So, sorry to put my feet in your face, but I can only sit like crisscross applesauce for so long. I have limited space in my room and everything. Okay. So I'm going to do another song from a similar era, which was like my first college attempt era. I'll refer to it as such. This song is called Genesis. So a lot of my songs have spiritual influence to them. This one is just about just taking a step back and like looking at the world around you with a sense of wonder instead of with a sense of predictability and expectancy. It's like, what does this do? But kind of like a childlike sense of wonder, and restoring that within ourselves back to the first humans to roam the earth and be like, wow, this is like just admiring God's creation around us. Because I do feel like we all, myself included, fall into these habits where we're in the rat race and we take everything around us for granted. I mean, the littlest things of like the detail that's on the back of a leaf or a crystal. How beautiful is a crystal, you know? So, I look to the sky and I don't care if I'm high, 'cause I feel like I'm flying. I feel like I'm defying everything that I've been taught. Everything that I ever bought means nothing now. Oh, 'cause I learned something somehow. I've learned something somehow through being so down, down. Turned it around now. And I bringing it back, I'm bringing it back. The sense of wonder that we had, wonder that we had when we all first began, all first began. You can tell them that I'm bringing it back, I'm bringing it back. The sense of wonder that we had, wonder that we had when we all first began, all first began. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna bleed into another song called Take Me Home. Sorry for the mess ups. I haven't played that song in years. Okay, here we go, bud. So it goes, as creative souls, we need a place to go where it's cool to not be whole. We're broken and we're bruised, we're down and we're confused, 'cause there's nowhere else to go. Take me home, take me home, let's go anywhere, I don't care, I'm home. When I roam, I roam, I roam, I roam, acting like a guy, believing that I'm fly, and I don't care if I'm high. Why? Okay. Like a guy, and I don't care if I'm high. Take me home, take me home, let's go anywhere, I don't care, I'm home. When I roam, I roam, I roam, I roam. Alright, I'm gonna do one more song. I don't really know. Okay, this one's called Sober. That's about sobriety. Sorry, those last two were kind of rough, but like I said, I haven't played them in forever. Also haven't played this one in forever, but I think it'll be okay. Okay. It's like, how does it start? I know how. Oh. And sorry, a lot of these are all the same chord progressions too. I do have songs that are a little bit different and very varying, but anyway. I don't wanna be high anymore. I wanna spread my wings and fly. I can soar on my own. You see, the only way I can feel completely at peace is to know this feeling has not been consumed, it has been achieved because I'm sober. Sober, yeah. And just to know that I'm sober, so much more than words can describe. When I look into the sky and I feel high, that says do it, I dare ya. How can someone love you if you don't care about yourself enough to look in the mirror? Think back to Cuddy saying this shit was a sacrifice to show the kids they ain't the only ones who up at night. So I do this for the ones who looking for a light. See, I'm so witty, it's litty, and I don't need a Sprite. Told my man D that I rock, I'ma be the next Tupac. Yeah, he looked me in the eyes and said stop. Yeah, you don't fell in love with the block. 2 years later, sold my body for some rock. I thank God I can finally suck cock again without feeling like I might have to clock that man. They curse my name, but every curse is a blessing. They curse my name, but every curse is a blessing. Hold up, I'm feeling myself. Hold up, and nothing else. I need some water, I'm hotter than hell. This prophecy I tell, they think I'm lying, but I'm iron, like a lion in Zion. This the shit I'm gonna die on. Yeah, this the shit I'm gonna die on. It's the shit I'm gonna die on. Thank you. And that is my official little Cray sampler video. Love ya.